I'm Vyasraj GK. I'm a student of UEC Bangalore Computer Science Department. Now I'm going to give a brief overview of .NET Framework and also mention some of its exciting features. Microsoft has mainly developed three languages: VB.NET, Visual C Sharp, and Visual C++, and we can also include J Sharp. All these languages are available in the form of Microsoft product, which is Visual Studio. Visual Studio is an integrated development environment which can be used to develop applications, both console applications and graphic applications. Since Visual Studio supports many languages, Microsoft wanted to provide all the features to a user regardless of what language the user prefers to develop an application in. So they came up with a single platform for all these languages, which we know as .NET Framework. Hence, we can define .NET Framework as a single platform intended to be used for developing applications. .NET Framework has mainly two components: class library and common language runtime. Class library is basically a huge collection of functions or methods included in a hierarchy of classes. It provides a variety of features like user interface, data access, and even functions for some numeric algorithms. An example for a numeric algorithm would be RND function, which generates a random real number between 0 and 1. And it's important to remember that this function can be used in any language. These functions can be used in any language. In user interface, some of the graphical features are provided. For example, most graphics applications use common graphic objects like buttons, text labels, picture labels, etc. And all these graphic objects are considered as instances of some graphic classes which are included in class library. Now coming to common language runtime. Common language runtime provides a software environment required for executing the code written by the user. Any code written in VB.NET, Visual C Sharp, or any other language of Visual Studio first gets converted to a common intermediate language, and this common intermediate language code is then converted to machine language by the common language runtime. One of the most convenient features of .NET is that it takes care of all the memory management by itself. When there is no reference to a particular memory location, it is considered as a garbage. Now this .NET framework includes a garbage memory collector which marks these garbage memory units, and then they are made available for reallocation. .NET even takes care of the memory fragmentation which is caused by this and always ensures that the allocated memory is contiguous. So .NET, even though it includes some complex features, using it effectively is as easy as programming in C or C++. Thank you.